Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the Discord guild badge in the quickest way possible. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, in case the guild feature is still in beta for you and it hasn't reached you on your own server, there's a quick method that you can get it with no strings and an easy method without having to own your own server and build the guild on it. All you have to do is go to the server right here, and we're going to leave an invitation link in the description for you to join it. This is going to be the guild archive server. And then from here, once you join in and verify your identity in it, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the tags and guilds section right here. Once you click on it, you can see all the different types of tags that you can choose from that are available currently from Discord. So all you have to do is select whichever one that you might like, for example this one, and you're going to join the server right here because they will give you this tag. Finally, all you have to do is go to the settings. Once you go to user settings, go to edit user profile, and then scroll down here until you see the server tag. And then from here you can select from whatever tag you might like from whichever server that you have joined. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.